Let's talk about shadows. Make sure to watch the entire video because I have a website recommendation for you to create shadows. It's a useful tool you won't want to miss. In HTML we have one H1 tag and one paragraph tag. There are two types, text shadows and box shadows. Text shadows are applied to text elements. The first set color of the text is white. Now use the text shadow property and set 3 numbers to 0. You can choose any color for the shadow. Like black, after numbers. The first number represents the horizontal position. Let's change the value to 3 pixels, positive moves right. Negative moves left. The second number represents the vertical position. Same value for this one, positive moves below. Negative moves above. The third number controls the spread, but setting it too high might make the shadow barely visible. A spread value of around 10 is usually good. To create different effects, you can add multiple shadows. For instance, if you want to make white text appear clearly with a blue color, you can use a blue shadow with 0 values for the first 2 numbers to surround the text and a spread value of 25 pixels. To include additional shadows, simply place them after the comma. Another option is to use a dark blue shadow with a spread value of 5 pixels. We acquire an amazing text shadow effect. Now, let's delve into box shadows. Box shadows utilize the same values as text shadows but are applied to the entire element. For instance, we can apply a box shadow to a P element. To begin, we can set the width of the element to 250 pixels and add a padding of 20 pixels for spacing purposes. When we apply the box shadow, it will appear around the element. If we specify 2 values of 10 pixels with the color green, the shadow will be positioned towards the right and bottom of the element. However, if we use 0 for the first value which represents the horizontal position, and positive values such as 4 pixels for the second value which represents the vertical position, and 20 pixels for the third value which represents the spreading of the color, we will achieve this shadow effect. That covers the basics of text shadows and box shadows. Get ready for an exciting website. I've discovered an amazing website called shadows.brum.af that will take your designs to the next level. It's super simple to use and allows you to create captivating shadows with just a few clicks. Visit shadows.brum.af and prepare to be amazed by the stunning effects you can achieve. Don't miss out on this game changer. The link is in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, activating the notification bell for future video updates and leaving random comments.